Hi, this is my new garden and this is my refrigerator. So what I've been doing now is growing my sprouts here in the refrigerator, and these are, you can just get them already in the season and start growing them, or you can just get your sprouts or your parsley. These are like bean sprouts, and just put them in the water. And so I put them in the 11.5 water. It helps them, keep growing, and they have fresh vegetables. You got your minerals, your vitamins, because they're still growing in the water. Water, if you can see them. And you just plop them off, put them in your mouth. They're just so fresh. You can smell, you smell them. They smell just fresh, and you get lots of nutrients and everything. So you might want to start doing that. Anytime you bring herbs home, just stick them in some water. I know you don't have the 11.5 water, but it does work really well to keep them alive. But you can try them in regular tap water, and if it doesn't work for you, just call me and we can get you some 11.5 water. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.